Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make a private server in the Forge on Roblox. All right, let's begin. First, open Roblox and search for the Forge. When the game page appears, select it, but do not press the play button yet. Instead, go to the Servers tab on the game page. In this section, you will find an option called Create Private Server. Click on it to begin setting up your private server. If you are using a mobile device, open the Forge game page and tap the player icon next to the play button. From there, choose Create Private Server to continue. Next, review the price shown on the screen. This is the monthly cost required to keep the private server active. Once you are ready, tap the name box and enter a name for your server. After naming it, scroll down and press subscribe to complete the setup. Your private server will now appear under the private server section. Tap join to start playing in your server. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page. You can also tap the three dots icon on your server and select configure to adjust the settings. So that's basically how you can make a private server in the Forge on Roblox. That's it for this video. Thanks.